Turn to page 511, lesson 9.4. We'll start with that. Write today's date. That is 1st March. MashaAllah, we have entered to March now. So you have learned the tables and equation are two ways to represent the relationships between two quantities. You can also represent a relationship between two quantities by a graph. Same thing what you have learned, you will learn now how to put those quantities in the form of graph. Okay? Now grade 5 girls, I remember you know about graphs. How about in grade 5 I have taught you, I remember for a few days when I was there, we were doing the same thing in graph. A cafeteria has a pancake making machine. The table shows the relationship between the time in hours. Okay, guys, this relationship is very important for you all to know that what are the two things what we are taking care of. There are two things here. One is, and the other is the number of. See here, if I say you here, one is the time in hours, and the other is the number of pancakes. Girls, usually it's up to you that what you take to x-axis and what you. But see, if I take time as 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5. As I told you, usually you take the here on the x-axis. This is it, right? The one is given to you here. This is x-axis. 200 is y-axis. Do you know this, Galia? This is x coordinate. This is x and this is y. Do you know this, Galia?
Yeah.
X and y. If I ask you to make a graph, I know the graph will be there, but if I ask you to make a graph, you know that I will just make this way. And then I will write here because, one minute. I need space to make it. Okay, it's given here. If we make a graph like this, the time is written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the y-axis that is pancakes are written here 200, 400, 600, 800, and 1000 according to these. Do you see? So what the coordinates you must remember. If it is 2, it's 400. So they have not given you here. I'll write it. This is nothing but 2, 400. The x is 2, so y is 400. If x is 3, the y is 600. 3, 600.
600.
If x is 4, y is 800. If x is 5, y is 1000. So we need to write in pair. This is called as graph pairs. They are given you in this pairs. So did you understand till here? How did we plot a graph?
Yeah.
Any questions, girls?
No.
Now see this, we have extra here. Let me do this with you because we have a lot of time. Even I will be there in the third class. So this is given to you. That x is 2, 4, 6, 8. So y is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let us even practice the relation. If I want to make, they did not ask us to make an equation. But see, when 2 is half of 1. So let us divide over 2. 4 over 2. 6 over 2, 8 over 2. So what is the equation? Mateen, can you try the equation? Everything when I'm dividing x over 2, so I get the y. So what is the equation? X over 2 equals y.
Why?
It's called when they ask you to write an equation. But here they told you to draw a line to correct graph. So I need to search where is x2468 and where is y1234. Okay, let us see here. Why it's not moving? See, they have connected to correct ones. And here's here. Let me see if I can go to this question. See this question, girls. We have x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We have y. When x is 1, y is 3. That means there is no relation between 1 and 3, girls. Like there is no multiplication. I cannot. I will just do 1 plus what gives you 3? 1 plus what gives you 3, girls?
2.
Yeah. So that means even this one plus 2. 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 So you have 3, you have 4, you have 5, you have 6 and 7. That is the relation is x when you are adding to 2. So you get your y. X if you add 2, you get your y. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, when x is 1, y is 3. Okay, they put a dot here. When x is 2, y is 4. When x is 3, y is 5. When x is 6, sorry, when x is 4, y is 6. When x is 5, y is 7. So we got a straight line. And we also find out that y is y here. Now, Malak?
Yeah, miss.
Do this question for me. When x is 2, how do I get 8? When x is 2, how do I get 8?
We're gonna take the 5 one. It will be 5.
2 times 5 is 10. Even if I take 2 times 4, 8. But here also, if I take 4, I get 16. So I cannot go for the. I'll just go 2 plus what gives me 8? 6. But even this, I'm not getting 4 plus 6 is not 7. Let us minus and check. See, 10 and 4. It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and this is going backward. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Did you see this? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 2, 4, 6, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So when 2 is 8, 4 is 7, then 6, then 5, then 4. It's but this way, it's coming down. Now, this is not in the book. This was just for the explanation. Let us come to page number. Page number 512, girls. If 0 is 10, 1 is 8, what is the 3 is 4? What is 2, girls? Say me this. 0 is 10. Look at it, how it is. 10. If you come back, it's 8, that is minus 2. Then you come back, it is again minus 2. Means I'm doing minus 2 always in y. Look at this. If you don't make the relationship, look at this. 10, 8. Don't you think so? What will come here? Number sequence, girls. 10, 8,
6.
4, 2. Very good. Did you get it?
Yeah.
So now if I plot this in the graph.
Miss, I didn't understand.
Vatin, the relationship between x and y, when you're not able to get, just see y. You remember the number pattern. If you see the pattern, how it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. See the pattern? 4, 6, 8, 10.
Even number, right?
All even numbers. Is it jumping? Multiples of 2. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2. No, it's not 2 times. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Look at the sequence, the number pattern.
Yeah, Miss, I'm just
So same thing. We have to put for 1, it is 8. For 2, it is 6. For 3, it is 4. For 4, it is 2. So all this you need to join. Do it, girls, in your book.
I'm done, Miss.
Finished?
Yes.
Find the unknown value y. The points on the graph. What is the unknown value you have found? 6. Sean has 6 bicycles left to us. There is no need to read all the story. That's more than enough. Just see the pattern. 8, 10, 8. It's all coming like the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You're taking backwards 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Understood, dear Avatin?
Yeah, Miss.
See here. When x is 1, y is 50. When x is 2, y is 100. Put the dots. When x, y is 150. When x is 4, y is 200. How will you write the coordinates? 1, comma 1, comma 500. 2, comma 100. 3, comma 150. 4, comma 200. You have to learn how to write these are called the pairs, girls. Coordinates, x and y coordinates. These are called the ordered pairs.
I'm done, Miss.
See question 2 and do it. Try to plot yourself. When it is 20, put 100. When it is 40, put a dot on 200. Try to do by yourself, girls. Do it with pencil so that later you can erase and do it if you're wrong. Done?
Yeah.
What's the answer?
Miss.
20, 100, 40, 200, 60, 300, 80, it's 400. And Malak, any questions?
No, Miss.
If you're finished, I'll go to another questions, girls.
Yeah, Miss. Done.
Now see, 9, 7, 5. He's going minus 2. 9 minus 2, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. And here increasing order. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Try to plot and see if you get this way. Just don't copy. Try to plot exactly, girls. When x is 4, come to 4. Y has to be 9. Go 9 and then put a dot there. Let me know if anyone of you is not getting it. I will explain you once again.
Miss, can you repeat this one?
Which one?
The one you said,
Question
if you
3?
don't understand.
Question 3?
3.
Where did you not get it? The graph or this 3?
No, this 3. Yeah.
9. Leave the relation between 9 and 7. How do you get 7? 9 minus 2. Then get back more 2 steps. 7 minus 2, 6, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1.
Oh.
And here increasing 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the pattern. You remember we used to do number pattern before in younger grades?
Yeah.
Like that. Now, when x is 4, put your hand on 4. What is y? When x is 4, what is y? When x is 4 here, what is the value of y?
4?
When this is x is 4, what is y?
9.
9, good. So put your hand on x4. This is x-axis. This is y. I have to go up till where?
To 9.
Then put a dot. When x is 5, y is 7. I'll put my hand on 5. And I'll go up to 7. Put a dot. Don't put, come to 6. That's a 5. Then 7 has to be 3. 8 it has to be. And join them.
Okay, Miss.
Same way do question. Now girls, I'll continue the third class, okay? Third period, I will inshallah join with you all again.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, now.